Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This recipe. My name is Ahmad Badr Arofani, study number 178823078 from the Master of Management Program, Faculty of Economic and Business, University Negeri Jakarta. In this recorded presentation, I will present my thesis proposal entitled The Effect of Environmental, Social, and Governance on Stock Price Volatility with Effective Tax Rate as a Moderating Variable. The object in this research is companies listed in the Asian 5 Top 10 MSCI Constituent Market Cap Index. To make the presentation easier to follow, I will divide the discussion into 7 main parts. First, I will present the introduction covering the background, research question, objective, and benefits. Second, I will explain the literature review, including the supporting theories and key variables. Third, I will discuss previous studies and the research gap. After that, I will present the hypothesis development and the conceptual framework, the research methodology, and finally the closing section, including the brief synthesis. The first background issues the importance of stock price volatility in investment decision. Stock price volatility refers to the upward and downward movement of stock price within a certain period. It reflects both risk and potential return for investor. Short-term trader may prefer high volatility because it creates opportunities for capital gains. In contrast, long-term investors often prefer lower volatility because it provides more stable returns. Volatility is also triggered by new information entering the market. Therefore, corporate information can serve as important signal that affect investor decision and stock price movement. Today, today investors do not only evaluate financial statement. They also consider non-financial information, including environmental, social, and governance performance. ESG consists of three pillars. The environmental pillars cover carbon emission, energy efficiency, waste management, and resource conservation. The social pillar covers employee relations, human rights, communities, and product responsibility. The governance pillar covers board structure, transparency, business ethics, and risk management. Companies with strong ESG practices are generally perceived to have lower operation and reputational risk, which may increase investor confidence. Although ESG has become increasingly important, previous findings and on the relationship between ESG and stock price volatility remain inconsistent. Several studies show that ESG has a negative effect on volatility, meaning that better ESG performance is associated with lower stock volatility. However, other studies find no significant relationship. While some highlight the role of market sentiment toward ESG issues, because the ESG volatility relationship is not yet stable. The study adds effective tax rates or ETR as a moderating variable. ETR is expected to strengthen or weaken the effect of ESG on stock price volatility. Based on the research background, The study addresses five main questions. First, how do aggregate ESG performance affect stock price volatility? Second, how does environmental performance affect stock price volatility? Third, how does social performance affect stock price volatility? Fourth, how does governance performance affect stock price volatility? Five, how does effective tax rate moderate the effect of ESG performance on stock price volatility? Their questions are examined in companies listed in the Asian 5 top 10 MSCI Constituent Market Cap Index. Research objective. The objective in the study to obtain empirical evidence regarding the effect of ESG performance on stock price volatility. More specifically, the study aims to examine the effect of aggregate ESG performance, environmental performance, social performance, and governance performance on price volatility. In addition, the study also aims examining the effect of earning volatility on stock price volatility and to test the moderating law of effective tax rate in the relationship between ESG and stock price volatility. These objectives are expected to provide a more comprehensive understanding and sustainability, taxation, and market risk. The research benefit, the study is expected to provide the main contribution. First, academically, it enriches the understanding of how ASG disclosure affect of stock price volatility in Southeast Asian capital market, including the different effect of ASG dimension. Second, the policy is may provide input for the regulator in strengthening ESG transparency and sustainability related policies. Third, the investors finding may support investment decision making by helping them assess non-financial risk and consider the responsible investment strategies in Asian companies. Next, I will discuss the literature review. In this section, explain the supporting values, the main research variable, previous study, hypothesis development, and conceptual framework. The two main theory is used in the study are signaling theory and stakeholder theory. The main variable including stock price volatility as the dependent variable. ESG and its dimension at independent variable. Effective tax rate as the moderating variable. And the control variable such as return on asset, debt and equity ratio, and the firm size. Next, the first theory used in the study is a signaling theory. The theory explains that companies are party with internal information can send signals to investors through both financial and non-financial disclosure. In the study, strong ESG disclosure can act as positive signal that a company has sustainable practice, effective risk management, and good governance. The signal can reduce information asymmetry, increase investor confidence, and potentially reduce stock price volatility. Effective tax rates may also function as a signal related to companies' financial condition and tax strategy. The second theory is stakeholder theory. This theory states the companies are not only responsible to shareholders but also tax all stakeholders, including the employees, customers, suppliers, government, communities, and the environment. In this context of ESG, environmental, social, and governance, disclosure represents corporate accountability of two stakeholders. Companies that maintain a good stakeholder relationship and provide transparent sustainability information to the gain legitimacy and trust. This may influence risk perception and contribute of stock price stability. The dependent variable in this study is stock price volatility. Volatility measures the degree of fluctuation in stock price over a certain period and commonly understood as an indicator investment risk. The study measuring stock price volatility using a Baskin method, which compares the highest and lowest stock price in a monthly period. The wider the gap between the highest and lowest price, the higher the volatility. Stock price volatility can be influenced by macroeconomic factor from specific factor, market factor, and environmental and social factor reflected in ESG performance. Environmental, social, and governance. The main independent variable in the study ESG performance. The ESG Corporate Sustainability Evaluation Framework consisting of three pillars. The environmental pillars evaluates how a company manages its environmental impact, including emission, innovation, and resource use. The social pillars evaluate the company relationship with stakeholders, such as workplace, human rights, communities, and products responsibility. The government pillar evaluate to a quality corporate governance, including management, shareholder protection, transparency, and corporate social responsibility strategy. The ESG score in study obtained from Bloomberg, ranging from 0 to 100. The moderating variable in the study, effective tax rate or ETR, reflects the actual tax burden compared to pre-tax income. In other words, it show the proportion of company earnings allocated to the payment. ETR can be measured using financial statement data, cash flow data, or taxable income. In this study, ETR viewed as an indicator of tax strategy and the company's ability to manage financial resources. Different ETR level may influence the company's capacity to fund the ESG initiative and may also affect investor perception of company risk. The slide summarize previous study. Overall, there are three group finding. First, studies Albuquerque et al. Show Maguire and Thierry and Siswana and Ratmono show the ASG has a negative effect on stock price volatility. Second, studies Elgar and Hutama find no significant relationship. Third, the other study emphasizes important the investor sentiment toward the ASG issues. There's inconsistent finding indicate a research gap. Therefore, this study adds ETR as a moderating variable in the context ASEAN 5 top 10 MSCI constituent. Based on the theories and previous studies, indices research developed five hypotheses, and first hypothesis that ESG performance affects stock price volatility has theoretically expected have two negative effects. The second hypothesis that the environmental performance affects stock price volatility. The third hypothesis states that social performance affect stock price volatility. The fourth hypothesis that the governance performance has a significant negative effect on stock price volatility. The fifth hypothesis that the effective tax rate weakens the negative effect of ESG disclosure on stock price volatility. Conceptual framework illustrated the relationship among the independent variable, dependent variable, moderating variable, and control variable. The independent variable consists of aggregate ESG performance, environmental performance, social performance, and governance performance. The dependent variable is stock price volatility. Effective tax rate is positioned as a moderating variable and will be tested using moderate regression analysis. The study also include control variables, namely profitability measured by ROA, leverage measured by DER, and from size measured by natural logarithm of total asset. The framework built on signaling theory and stakeholder theory. This slide this slide present the operating definition of its research variable. The conceptual framework illustrated, I'm sorry, operation of the variable. This slide present the operational definition of research variable, stock price volatility measured using the Pesking method. Aggregate ESG performance, the environmental, social, and governance pillar are measured using score from Bloomberg. Effective tax rate measured by dividing current tax expense by pre-tax income. The control variables include ROA, DER, and firm size. ROA is measured by net income divided by total assets, DER by total debt divided by total equity, and the firm size by the natural logarithm of total asset. This measurement allow the variable to be tested empirically. Next, after explaining the literature review and conceptual framework, now I will move to the research methodology. This section explains the research design, data source, population, and sample operationalizing of variables, and data analysis technique. In general, this study use a quantitative approach with secondary data and aims to detect the causal relationship among ESG, ETR, and stock price volatility. The data panel the data are panel data because the combined cross-sectional company data and the time series data over the research period. Research method. The study applies quantitative method with a casual research design. The data are secondary data obtained for annual financial report, Bloomberg. The research population consists of top 10 MSCI ASEAN 5 companies, while the sample is selected using for 5 sampling based on listing consistency and data completeness. The observation is period is from 2018 to 2023, covering both pre-pandemic and post-pandemic dynamics. The analysis technique include panel data regression, classical assumption test, and moderate regression analysis to examine the moderating role of ATR. The research object consists of companies included in the top 10 MSCI ASEAN 5 representing large and liquid stock from Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore, and Philippines. The sample is determined for using purposes center with a criteria including consistent listing during 2018 to 2023, complete annual financial report, and availability of data requires measures reserve variable. The data source include annual financial report, Bloomberg Financial Analysis. With 6 years panel data, the study is expected to capture good company performance and market dynamics. This the data analysis consists of several steps. First, descriptive statistics are used to describe the data, including mean, standard deviation, minimum, and maximum values. Second, panel regression model selection is conducted using the Chow test, Hausman test, and Lagrange multiplier test to determine the most appropriate model among common effect, fixed effect, and random effect model. Third, the classical assumption tests are conducted including normality, multicollinearity, heteroscedasticity, and autocorrelation test. Fourth, the moderate regression analysis is performed by including the interaction between ESG and EDR. Finally, hypothesis testing is conducted using R-squared, F-test, and T-test. The research flow begins in the formulation of research problem and objective. After that, the literature review is conducted covering signaling theory, stakeholder theory, ESG, ETR, and stock price volatility. The next stage is hypothesis development and the construction of conceptual framework. Then the secondary data is collected from Bloomberg and the annual financial report for the 2018 and 2023 period. The collected data are analyzed using descriptive statistic, classical assumption test, panel model selection, and moderate regression analysis. The results are then used to answer the hypothesis, develop the discussion, and draw conclusion. In this conclusion, the study expect to contribute a better understanding a relationship among ESG, effective tax rate, and stock price volatility, particularly for companies the ASEAN 5 top 10 MSCI constitute. Considering the inconsistent result of previous studies, the use ETR moderating variable is expected to provide a more comprehensive explanation. That concludes my thesis proposal presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.